Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Prem, the wing rider. Today we are going to see a video which is more into engineering. I have done a touring setup on my Honda Unicorn. How have I designed this and executed till the last. So come, let's go to the video. So first thing is I got this setup designed on a CAD. Then I went to the steel shop. I purchased the steel what is required according to my specification. Went to the bending shop where I got the tubes bent. Then I went to the engineering shop, which is my friend's, and he is very much specialized in TIG welding. So I got this done there. After all cutting, trimming and grinding done, we did the TIG welding. So that is tungsten inert gas welding. So this is more stronger, so where you can put on more heavy loads and it will be on heavy duty side. So I choose this TIG welding, and my friend who is doing the TIG welding is more specialized in this. In fact, he suggested me to go for the TIG welding itself. And meanwhile TIG welding was going on. Here the brackets, the mounting brackets have been fabricated, and then the cross tubes. The cross tubes, these are fitted to this rack, and the top box will be fitted on top of this. Hope you guys are feeling this interesting. And by the end of the day, the bike was looking almost 3/4 of the work done. The side supporting tubes have been fabricated, and this is how it looks. And after painting, and I have done this spray paint at home, and final touch, here it is. Guys, hope you watched the full video and you liked it. Kindly do follow me on the Instagram. My Instagram address is this. You know the Wake Motors, right? So in the Wake Motors workshop, we are going to do this touring setup there itself, and we are going to sell some accessories where it is very much required for any long rides. So hope this video was very informative. If you like the video, kindly do like it, share it with your friends, and comment if you have any questions. And please do subscribe if still you haven't subscribed. Fine, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.